Hello, all. Welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about Hot Wheel Custom Auto. Indeed a remarkable tribute to the original Hot Wheels that made the Hot Wheels what it is today. So, before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. As it's not just a diecast car, it's a creative genius of Larry Wood and Otto-Unboxing, as it comes with a vibrant color, sleek design, and iconic Hot Wheel logo, which all come together to create a cool diecast car. So if you ask me whether the custom auto is a real car, it wasn't a real car until the 2010, as it is based on the artwork that was on the original 1968 card of Hot Wheels which were sold on. So, the design is from 1968, but the car never existed as a toy. It started existing from 2010. So that was the history about this custom auto. So whether you are a collector or a car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates the good design, this custom auto is sure for you. So that's all for today. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.